Tēnā tātou e ngā hau e whā, nau mai, haere mai, whakaeke mai nei. Marunga I te waka, he waka eke noa. E te whānau, we're about to have another look at relaunching our 12-week Real Freedom program in a couple of weeks. But how can we launch it without having a pre-launch? What does it look like? What will you be doing on that journey? What is the journey going to look like for the 12 weeks as we look to take on board another 12 tauira to join us on that journey? No mai, haere mai, come and have a look. Starting next week, 7 p.m. Kiwi time, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. Lock it in, register here below today. And I've put a link in there. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Let's just see how it goes. First of all, register and try that link out. After you've registered, it'll bring you to the pre-launch series page. Come and get amongst it there. Check out the welcome video. Make sure you let us know you're there by saying he waka eke noa and you're on board, and we'll take it from there. Just free up the calendar for next week. Turn up, make sure you're free to turn up. Don't be too distracted. Get good lines of communication. Nice, good, clear sound on your Zoom. I'll send you a Zoom link and we'll take it from there. We'll look at a few things. We'll look at the Papamahi Rākau. We'll look at the other group are doing their whakapumo. They'll be going through their paces once more around the block. And then for you guys, you can have a look at that and get amongst it. Following that, we'll also have a look at the matawa. And that's something to have a look at now that it's coming up to HARATUA, the end of the wā whakaharahara, and before we go beyond and go back again and start again in Matariki. So come and have a look, get amongst it. If you want fun, bring fun, and I'll see you there. Tihei! Mauri ora!